So I ran into this curious problem. When I ran Turken 2 with a PyStorm, something in this area started making a high-pitched squealing sound. I do not know. It wasn't the PSU, I'm pretty sure of that. And it was after the intro had ran through and the game started with a corrupted logo. You can hear that, right? God damn it. I'm turning her off immediately. It's coming from around here. That's the shitty thing. I have no idea what's generating that noise, but it's interesting.